Hello, teacher. There, there's activity 1. I am, let's play the hotel, a man of good university, a student of business administration in the 7th semester. My experience in the 3 levels of English has been good because I had learned to handle this language a little more in grammar and vocabulary. I feel that more practice in writing and speaking will lead to better fluency and handling of each topic. My great aspiration is to reach in mathematics, English better to have better professional in work experience. Bye.